ठीक है, आगे रुकते हैं, आगे रुकते हैं। क्या हो गया, क्यों रुके?
मेरा बम्स बहुत दुख रहा है।
ठीक है, मेरा भी थोड़ा दुख रहा है। ठीक है, कुछ तो करते हैं, ये राइड के बाद में कुछ तो करते हैं। ठीक है, अभी थोड़ा ही बाकी है, चले।
तूने मेरा सीट का कुछ सोचा है क्या?
सीट का?
बाइक के?
हाँ, देखते तो है।
देखते नहीं है यार, नेक्स्ट राइड के लिए प्लीज कुछ करना पड़ेगा। नहीं पॉसिबल है, केरला राइड बहुत तकलीफ थी यार।
ठीक है, अभी तो मैं एडिटिंग कर रहा हूँ, फिर देखते हैं क्या करना है।
तो हमेशा ऐसे ही बोलते। सीट का देखा?
क्या?
सीट का देखा?
सीट का?
क्या सच में 5 दिन निकल गया है अभी।
ठीक है, हाँ, अपना 2-3 वीक में राइड है ना?
राइड है।
ठीक है,
वापस एंडेड में बोलेगा नहीं हो रहा है अभी, इसमें ही चलो।
ठीक है, कुछ देखता हूँ, मतलब कुछ देखता हूँ, कुशन्स वगैरह देखते हैं या फिर कुछ जेल सीट।
तूने बोला था ना साइकिल का वो जेल सीट है, उसको कट करके लगाएंगे।
हाँ, वो अपना वैसे भी साइकिल इतना चलाते नहीं, तो उसका जेल का करके कुछ तो अपना वो सीट वाला है, उससे कुछ तो करते हैं। अरे दिस इज सो एक्सपेंसिव यार, राइड ऑन एयर की सीट्स 4500 5500। अपना एक राइड
क्यों लगाने का है? अपना तो जो डिसाइड हुआ था साइकिल वाला वही कर लेते हैं ना, वो ट्राई कर लेते। ये नहीं एक्सपेंसिव है बहुत।
हेलो मोटो।
हेलो, स्पीकिंग। हेलो किरण, कहाँ पे? You know what, Ride On Air guys called me and told me that they are sending one seat cushion for your bike. Yes, really. And the icing on the cake is they are sending one more cushion for my bike also. So guys, we are using this Ride On Air seat cushions, and we have used this for our Rajasthan ride, which was more than 4,000 kilometers. So it's 4:44 AM. Wow, and we are all set. किरण ऑल सेट? मस्त, गद्दा मस्त लग रहा है। सो किरण इज हैविंग राइड ऑन एयर। आई डिड नॉट गेट टाइम टू इंस्टॉल दैट।
Saturday, I watched you fly away.
And we really want to thank you guys and Ride On Air people for giving us this wonderful product.
So let's quickly see the unboxing of the Ride On Air, both the cushions and how to install that on your seat. So basically this is having two different types of cushions inside it, so that's why it is looking so huge. There are two boxes inside this.
अक्कड़ बक्कड़ बम्बे को 80। So this is my box.
So this was the box selected by Kiran. So Kiran got this ADV Sport Prime, which retails at around 5,499 rupees. The seat cushion which will go on my bike, it's called ADV Sport Standard. So Kiran is getting ADV Sport Prime, I'll be getting ADV Sport Standard. So this is the pump. Ballam pichkari.
जो तूने मुझे मारी.
So these are the straps. So this is the main product. Let me just open this, which has this balloon kind of things. So these are stickers. So one will definitely go on our fridge. So I'm opening this ADV Sport Prime. Let's see the difference. This gets different air pump and again the straps. So this is the standard and this is the prime. So how to fill the air inside these cushions is like, you have to take this air pump and you will see this nozzle here, just attach to this and just press it. It will start getting inflated. I think let's just try with this first. Ride On Air guys suggest that do not fill this completely. So you will get these two straps with this. So I've already removed this pin from this. The quality of these straps and this plastic is really good. Just put it here. Yeah, so this will get secured here. We'll go down and we'll put this on our CBRs. So now we'll be removing the rear seat first. So let's put this for the first time. Once you're done with this, you can just tighten this up. Make sure these straps doesn't obstruct these things, so it will not create any problem while fitting the seat again. So it is perfectly fitting the CBR seat.
So you just saw the installation of this Ride On Air. Now we are going to talk about what we liked and disliked.
Starting with both the cushions, these are different one. This Kiran used it. This is ADV Sport Prime and this is ADV Sport Standard. So definitely the material of this is different than this one. This is the better one. That's why it is little expensive over this one. So a lot of people think that this will reduce your back pain. So that is not the case with Ride On Air cushions. This is only meant to, what you call it, पूरा थकान मिटाने के लिए है आपके bumps का.
In शुद्ध हिंदी
वैसे बोल सकते हैं.
Yeah, you have to exercise regularly to keep away your
back pain.
Yeah,
Yes.
This will only be helpful for your sore bum.
Yes.
So no more numb bum is the tagline of this product, which is like itself clarifies
that
what
tagline really deserves this product. So if you use Ride On Air cushions, you won't feel numb bum after the second day or third day of ride. Even after using for like 9 days, this cushions made us feel like riding the bike more and more. Even जब भी ride खत्म होने के बाद भी office जाते वक्त भी I was feeling better that thank God we have Ride On Air.
Because after 8 or 9 days of riding, उसके बाद ऑफिस जाना रहता है तो नहीं चलाने होता है उस टाइम पे. In November, when we went for our M2K ride, at that time for continuously 2 days we had to ride for 800 kilometers. I cannot express the pain which we felt while riding that for those 2 continuous days. 800 kilometers for 2 continuous days, it was really a pain in it. And now in January, when we went for our Rajasthan ride from Mumbai to Udaipur, 750 kilometers in a day using this Ride On Air product, I cannot express you the happiness we felt after using this product. Next day it was just 100 kilometers to ride, and still I was like, Sachin, आज सिर्फ 100 ही चलाना है और नहीं चलाना है.
So talking about negatives or cons of this product, first I would like to tell that after 400-500 kilometers, air starts to get deflate from the seat cushions. So you have to pump the air, so always keep those pumps handy with you. I think it is normal because your whole body weight is on your bike and on your cushion, and you are riding for like 400-500 kilometers. Second negative point, I think everyone is telling about that these cushions are really very expensive. Obviously, even we were hesitant to buy these for like 4,500 and 5,500. It is really very expensive.
So, has Sachin clearly mentioned that this product is little bit expensive, but again, the good thing is Ride On Air guys, they have launched Ride On Air Alpha product, which costs around 3,500, and it comes with lifetime leakage warranty, which is like really good.
So that's all, guys. This was the review about Ride On Air cushions, which we used in our Rajasthan ride, and you can check out our Rajasthan ride series, which is going on, and we are putting a lot of efforts.
So if you want to buy any of the product, that is Ride On Air Alpha or from both these products, you can go to our description and you can click on the link and buy it for yourself.
So that's all about Ride On Air review, guys. So if you like this video, give it a like.
Do comment below and don't forget to see our Rajasthan series, which is, I think 2 episodes is already out. So there is a lot of more new stuff we are coming up with. So don't forget to subscribe, share. जो भी सचिन ने बोला सब कर दो.
Yes.
और till the time, keep traveling, keep roaming.